The ONGROK Butter Maker OM-420 is a comprehensive kit that includes silicone gloves, strainer bags, and a butter mold, all designed to be BPA-free, heat-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. With its easy two-button operation and self-cleaning feature, the machine's integrated microprocessor ensures smooth and stress-free extraction of herb-infused oils, butter, and tinctures. This versatile device inspires culinary creativity, allowing users to craft a wide range of homemade edibles, from baked goods to topicals, with the help of a colorful printed cookbook and online recipes. Safety is a priority with the ONGROK Butter Maker, constructed from food-grade stainless steel and equipped with boil, dry, and overspill sensors, meeting strict American safety standards. The modern, minimalist design of the ONGROK Butter Maker adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen while saving precious countertop space compared to bulkier models. ONGROK has thoughtfully crafted this butter maker to blend efficiency, safety, and style, making it an excellent addition to any culinary enthusiast's kitchen.